po alam na family ni Future, especially yung mama niya, na darating kami today. So, hindi po namin pinapaalam dahil gusto namin na isa-surprise sila. So, babe, are you ready to surprise Ama? So, Owen is very happy. So, he's very excited. So, guys, surprise natin yung mother-in-law ko. Alright! Good morning! Ay, Ama! Good morning!